Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to insert a word table into a PowerPoint presentation. In this tutorial, we will walk through each action clearly and methodically so that even if you are new to these programs, you can follow along with confidence. To begin, start by launching PowerPoint on your computer. You may click on the PowerPoint icon from your desktop or select it from your Start menu or Application folder. This first step simply gets the program up and running so that you can work with your presentation without any delays. Once PowerPoint is open, locate and open the presentation into which you want to insert your word table. It might be a file you have been working on already or a new project that you are building. Take a moment to verify that you have the right slide selected or that you are in the correct portion of your presentation to ensure a seamless transition when you paste your table. With PowerPoint ready, the next part of the process involves accessing your Word document. Open the Word document on your computer where the table you wish to include is stored. This document may contain data, charts, or structured information that you have already set up in a table format. Having the document open in a separate window or on a separate monitor can help you keep track of both files and makes it easier to complete the next few steps. Now that your Word document is open, navigate to the table you wish to insert into your PowerPoint slide. Position your cursor inside the table or simply near its edge if that makes selection easier. Then copy the table by pressing Ctrl and C at the same time if you are using a Windows computer. Mac users can perform a similar action by pressing Command and C. This key combination copies your table to the clipboard, making it ready to be transferred into your PowerPoint presentation. After successfully copying the table, switch your focus back to PowerPoint. You can do this by clicking on the PowerPoint window, which should bring it to the front and allow you to resume your editing process on your presentation. Being careful about switching between applications can help ensure that you don't lose track of what you have just copied. Once you have returned to the PowerPoint presentation window, it is time to insert the table on your chosen slide. Place your cursor in the area of the slide where you want the table to appear. To paste the table, simply press Ctrl and V if you are using a Windows computer. For those on a Mac, use Command and V. This command inserts the table from your clipboard into the slide, where you can then reposition it or resize it as needed. At this point, review the placement and formatting of your pasted table, adjust its size and location on the slide to ensure it fits well with the rest of your content and maintains a professional look. Making such adjustments can help improve the visual appeal and clarity of your presentation. By following these clear instructions, you have now successfully taken a table from a Word document and embedded it directly into your PowerPoint presentation. This method of integrating content between Word and PowerPoint is particularly useful when you have detailed data or structured information in a table format that enhances your presentation. The process is simple and efficient, allowing you to seamlessly blend documents to create a cohesive final product. Enjoy the benefits of combining the strengths of both applications to create dynamic, informative presentations.